How to create color palettes in Procreate. We have different ways of creating color palettes, but today, I'm going to show you the ways. First, tap the color circle at the top right and go to Palettes. Tap the plus sign and select Create a new palette. Then go to Disk and start adding the colors to your palette by tapping the black squares at the bottom. If you want to delete one of the colors, tap the color square for a few seconds and select Delete. The other way is to create a color palette from a photo. Open Palettes again and tapping the plus sign, select Create from a photo. Select the photo you want to import your colors from and wait while it imports. The new palette should appear at the top. You can also see the colors as cards with the color names on it. As an extra tip, if you tap the bar next to palette, you can move the palette around and be able to see it all the time. This is very useful when you're drawing with different colors, and you have to change between them regularly. You can also change the color modes back and forth from this. I use this feature all the time. It is very useful. If you want to hide your palette again, the only thing you have to do is tapping the X near the word palette, and it will go back to its original place. Follow me for more Procreate tutorials.